Good morning, Roxy. My name is Bree from Northland Marketing. How are you doing today? I spoke with you yesterday, and as promised, here's your analysis. I wanted to get on here real quick to go through your site in this video, do a website audit, and show you personally what is holding your website back from being in the top 3 on Google. I'm going to jump in and start going through what we see and where we think you can get the most value. I'm going to mainly be going over 3 things you can do today really bring value to your company and start outranking your competitors online. The very first thing I want to go over is your website and what we call content. When someone searches for a Delaware deck builder, Google crawls the websites on the internet, searching and ranking the results. Google is looking for keywords. It's looking for what the site should be found for. Now, when I go through your website, I see you have a great photo and a little bit of a layout, but there's really nothing on your home page here. Now, you definitely don't have enough content because there's pretty much no content on here. And one thing I can tell you about Google is Google loves content. I like to see a minimum of 1,500 words, and you guys only have like 7 words on your front page here. But adding those 1,500 words of content with the keyword you're trying to target is going to make a huge difference in you being found on Google. Now, not only does Google come in and look at your site, but they can't tell what search terms they should be ranking you for if they can't find them on your website. Okay? Having those keywords on your page listed 3 to 5 times really ensures that Google's going to find you. Going to the Google search results for Delaware deck builders, people are running Google ads. Okay? Now, this is called a map pack. And the top 3 listed here are the ones that receive a lot of the work because they're super easy to find and they're listed right away. The websites listed below here, these are called the organics, and the same thing applies. You want to be on the front page and ideally in the top 3 to really drive as much traffic to your website as possible. Let's take a look at this first website here. You can actually see that it's one of their location pages. This isn't their home page, right? We can see they have a good amount of content. Oh, there's not a whole lot going on here. Let's take a look at why they're number 1. This is a paid program I use to research websites called Ahrefs. I went ahead and put their website in here so we can see what we're up against. The second thing I'm going to want to go over is UR and DR ratings. A DR rating is a trust rating, meaning how much Google trusts your website. And a UR rating shows how powerful your website is in the eyes of Google. These are generally raised by backlinks. We can see they have 401 backlinks over here. These are the powerful backlinks. We can see that they have 43 powerful backlinks. Now, these backlinks refer to links that point back to your website. In Google's eyes, it's kind of like a popularity contest. A good example would be if a blog website wrote an article about deck builders and listed you guys as a company they recommended, that would be one backlink. I want to call attention to their organic keywords. These are the keywords within their content that I was talking about. For example, Delaware deck builders. There's about 90 people searching for that every month, and they're in first place. Now, deck builder near me has a ton of people searching for that every month. However, there is no location attached to that. So anyone could be searching for that, and this is why it's important to choose keywords that have a location. They have a lot of locations for Pennsylvania, right, with some good search volume. This one has about 40 people searching a month. This one has 50. Maryland has 80 people searching a month. Tech contractors in Maryland has 40 people searching a month. So depending on where you want to get ranked for, we can find the keywords and look at the search volume. Let's take a look at your website with the DC Exteriors URL. Your UR rating is 2, which is something. However, your DR rating is nothing, okay? These are really low numbers. You have 9 overall backlinks, but 0 of those are powerful. Those are also really low. And the worst part is that you have 0 organic keywords, and this is because you have no content on your homepage. This means that regardless of what anyone is searching, they're not going to find your website in the organics. But in this video, we went over how to get yourself listed into that front page. One, through content on your homepage and how you're going to need at least 1,500 words. Two, through your UR and DR ratings and how you need to raise those with backlinks. And three, your backlinks, what your competition has and how to beat them out by showing Google you have more authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you could be on the front page of Google. I wanted to go ahead and shoot this video for you guys. If you've liked what you've seen here today, you can email me back or give me a phone call, and we can continue to look further into what you would need to get your website ranking. I hope this was helpful for you, and I look forward to your feedback. Have a great day.